Hello everyone, today we introduce the Node-Red Edge Computing Gateway BL118 from BLIIoT. The BLIIoT BL118 Edge Computing Gateway comes pre-installed with the Node-Red visual programming environment. It is a high-performance gateway with strong expandability and support for secondary development, widely used in industrial IT, industrial visualization, and digitalization scenarios. Appearance includes power interface, USB interface, LED indicators, Ethernet ports. Support for various XIO board and YIO board combinations. Models equipped with 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or GPS feature corresponding antenna interfaces on the top. The bottom includes SD card slot, debug serial interface, reset button, SIM card slot. The BL118 label ensures traceability. The BL118 Edge Computing Gateway comes pre-installed with BLIIoT customized Node-Red. It supports visual drag-and-drop programming and is compatible with over 5,000 official and third-party nodes, facilitating customer secondary development and functional expansion. The product supports mainstream operating systems like Linux and Ubuntu and boasts powerful protocol compatibility, including industrial protocols such as Modbus, OPC UA, MQTT, and various PLC protocols. The BL118 employs a modular design, allowing users to freely configure I/O types like DI, DO, AI, AO, TC, RTD, GPIO, RS485, RS232, enabling over 4,000 possible combinations. The built-in BLIIOT remote tool allows for remote configuration, modification, debugging, and firmware upgrades. With fully isolated power I/O, dual watchdog protection, and passing EMC Level 3 interference immunity tests, it delivers stable and reliable operation even in harsh environments. From edge to cloud, BLIIoT empowers industrial upgrades.